Ever wondered why your monthly payment keeps fluctuating, even though your interest rate hasn't changed? Or perhaps you're curious about the mechanics behind those seemingly odd numbers on your mortgage statement. If so, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of lunar monthly payments. Imagine you're taking out a mortgage. You've secured a fixed interest rate, and you've agreed on a specific loan term. Now, you'd expect your monthly payments to remain constant, right? Well, not exactly. The concept of lunar monthly payments can introduce a bit of variability into the mix. What is a lunar monthly payment? A lunar monthly payment is a payment system that aligns with the lunar calendar. In many mortgage systems, especially in regions with historical ties to lunar calendars, this method is used to calculate monthly payments. Why the lunar calendar? The lunar calendar, unlike the Gregorian calendar we're accustomed to, is based on the cycles of the moon. It has 12 lunar months, each approximately 29.5 days long. This means that lunar months can vary in length, and so can the number of days in a given year. How does it affect mortgage payments? Here's how it works. Fixed interest rate. Just like a traditional mortgage, you'll have a fixed interest rate. Variable payment amount. However, instead of a fixed monthly payment, your payment amount will fluctuate based on the number of days in each lunar month. Equalizing the annual payment. To ensure that you pay the correct annual interest and principal, the payment amounts are adjusted. Months with more days will have higher payments, while months with fewer days will have lower payments. The benefits of lunar monthly payments. While it might sound unconventional, lunar monthly payments can offer some advantages. Potential cost savings. Over the long term, some argue that lunar monthly payments can lead to lower overall interest costs. Aligns with natural cycles. For those who believe in the significance of lunar cycles, this payment method can feel more natural and harmonious. The drawbacks of lunar monthly payments. However, there are also potential drawbacks. Unpredictable payments. The fluctuating payment amounts can make budgeting more challenging. Complexity. Understanding the mechanics of lunar monthly payments can be more complex than traditional fixed payment mortgages. The bottom line. Lunar monthly payments are a unique approach to mortgage repayment that offers a blend of tradition and financial strategy. Whether it's the right choice for you depends on your specific circumstances and financial goals. If you're considering a mortgage with lunar monthly payments, it's crucial to consult with a financial advisor to fully understand the implications and to ensure that it aligns with your long-term financial plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.